How to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile that is on the bottom right corner. On the top, you can see there are following list and followers list. To view any of them, just tap on it. You can unfollow them one by one, but if you want to unfollow them all at once, Instagram still doesn't have any feature like that. But what you can do is, you want to tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Here you need to scroll down to the very bottom, then tap on Help. Tap on Report a Problem, tap on Report a Problem again, tap on Include and Continue. Now you can write whatever the problem it is or what you want to add feature on Instagram, and then you can tap on Send, or else you can copy the following by slowing down or pausing the video. After you're done, tap on Send that is on the top right corner. So that is how you can unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.